Hello everyone, I finished my stained glass window journal days ago, but I never got around to making the video. So here it is, and I made a video of making the tassel. It's got buttons and everything. It's got an earring. I don't have the matching earring to it. It's pretty, and just got little charms and things and buttons. So this is the tassel, and all the middle pages had beads from the strings. This is the spine. This is the back. I really love this journal. And it's thick. Really thick. It has 240 pages in it. And it's got beads here. And it's got a dangle I made. So that's what they're called. Sorry if my camera moves. Pocket on the front. It's got two things in it to write on. It's got papers on the side to write on. I got these out of a book. It's like a anniversaries book, right? Anniversaries and stuff that I didn't want it. So I took the pages out of it. It's got little touch spots. So any pages like this have touch spots. Any of the book pages I put writing spots on. I don't like just leaving them from just regular book pages. This is fabric. Got a pocket on it and a little tag I made. Lace. It's got the little thing on there. All of these pages on the back have pockets. You can write on them. And it's got things in it to write on. A little coloring sheet. This is the mailing envelope. It's got a pocket on the side. And it's got a pocket in the back. Never want to go back in when you're on video. A little coloring spot. Pocket. Put stuff in it. Dyed it. Little bag. Another pocket. Stuff to write on. More writing space. Things to write on. pocket. You can see through it. A little window. It's really not that hard to get in. I don't know why. Just doing that. So, envelope I made. It was a napkin. It's got some paper in there. It's right on. Little beads. These were earrings. I curved the little things in on the paper clip. Little belly band. There's some things in there. This little book to write in. Paper. That was cute. I thought it looked like buttons. These on the side are not tuck spots, but if they're up and down, they're tuck spots. This is not. These are 3 envelopes glued down, and they all have something to write on in there. This is a envelope, a big envelope, hanging them now. Got pockets on the side, writing spots. And put stuff in there. This is the same stuff I used on the front. This is the tag that came on the doily that I bought. So I taped it and put some backing on it to write on. Thought, why not? And this is a pocket too, the other side of the envelope. It's got a writing spot. I don't know if you can see it. Got a little bead holding this envelope I made. I'll be putting paper in there. I forgot to put some in there. They had these at the Mr. Gaddy's we went to, and I stained it. Another little pocket out of envelope, and little writing book. Write stuff on. Some lace. I don't like to leave my books pages plain. Put stuff on them. And this is a pattern. Tried to dye it. I still think it's cute. card with writing spots. Just I put an index card on the back so you can write on the back too. This is just the both sides you can write on. It's on the side, got some beads. All these have these beads. There's 3 signatures in here. A lot of pages. Just take that out. You can write on it better. Then stick your things back in the pocket. I might be making a writing board for this. I don't think I have to, but I might. Now this butterfly does not come off, it's glued down. This is a cross and some yarn and a black safety pin. This is 3 envelopes in the back with writing spots that I made. Got the papers in it. Well, I hope everyone likes it. Hopefully I'll be making an Etsy shop soon. When I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a drawing. And I'm going to be giving away a journal that I made. I have a lot of journals I haven't shown yet, but I'll be giving away one of the journals. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share. I really love this journal. Really like it. Thank you for watching.